Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970, Plymouth Duster. Great little car, guys. A buddy of mine out of North Carolina is one who actually found me this car. It's actually a Tennessee car. It's an older restoration. He said right, between 10 12 years old the car was restored. It's got just over, I think it's 5,500 miles on it since the car's been restored. Killer little car. I liked it because it had a lot of cool options. Factory J5 Limelight green. It is a factory H code 340 car. It doesn't have the matching numbers engine in it, but it does have the matching numbers 4-speed manual transmission. Tach engages. I love the striping package. Love the dual snorkel hood, the go wing. Killer little car. And one thing I'll tell you, you can get in this car, turn the key, and point the direction and go. This car runs and drives excellent. Jordy was driving it earlier today, and when he came back, the first thing he said is, man, does that car drive good. Like I say, older restoration, so you can nitpick some stuff in the paint. Looks like it's got the original grille, so you can kind of pick at that a little bit. But like I say, good car. They definitely replaced the bumpers. I love that blacked out hood with the strobe stripe, with that dual snorkel hood on there. The car's just got a good look. Black vinyl tops in great shape. It's got the pop-out rear windows, which I like. Do have the original broadcast sheet for the car. That's in the trunk here. Again, go wing, a lot of cool options. And again, original 344 speed Duster. Pretty straight old car down the sides. You can see, you know, there's a couple little ripples in it, but it's clean. Again, couple little marks in the paint. I believe this car's got all the original body panels still on it. It's pretty cool. They chrome the rallies. Those are 15-inch rallies. It's got 60 series BFGs all the way around it. Car's got a good stance and a good look. Front disc brakes. All 7340 Dusters had disc brakes on the front. My buddy Chad out of Pennsylvania is the one who taught me that. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering. It's manual disc brakes. Mopar radiator with the shroud. Again, it does have the matching numbers. 4-speed manual transmission. Does not have the matching numbers engine. I think it's a 72 engine. I like the chrome rallies. I dig this car, man. I love the color combination. I love the striping. And again, really good running and driving car. Not a perfect car, but man, a good, solid, straight driver. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. I'd say those are original door handles. Looks like the original sill plates. You can see it's got a little wear in the seats. I've actually put a call into a buddy of mine to see what he, you know, I've seen these seats before. I don't think they're when I say the seats, I'm talking about this white pleating. I don't know if that's factory. You can see it's in both the front and rear. And man, that back seat looks original. So he didn't think it was original, but like I say, I found a couple on the internet that had that. So interesting. But I don't think that's factory. Factory tack and gauge car, 5505 on your odometer there. Factory tack and gauge car, I thought that was pretty cool. Factory AM radio, it's got the Hurst shifter. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. It's a Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got an 8 3/4 3.2 sure grip, or 3.23 sure grip. Here's your original broadcast sheet. It's all body color in the trunk. You can see it's got the jack, it's got the spare, and it's all body color in here. You can see it's got the, looks like the original insulation on the inner quarters there. Good car. It's clean underneath. Looks like it's got all the original floors. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. I like it. Good car. Like you say, you can nitpick a few little things in it, but you can pick them all, guys. Don't care how much you spend. None of these things are perfect. Been doing this for 40 years almost now, and I tell people, man, I've owned 6,000 of them. I've never seen a perfect one. Dash is original. The gauges are nice and clean. That shifter's cool. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. I know the parking brake works. The little reverse light comes on in the dash when you put it in reverse. It's good running 340, man. Car hits the road good. I love that hood. That car looks good coming at you. Tach works. All your gauges are functional. Like I say, the parking brake works. Reverse, yeah, the little reverse light works on the dash. Yeah. I know blower motor works. Radio? No radio. No radio. Yeah. Vision functional. Turn that right one back on there. There you go. Yeah. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I know they're going fast right now, boys. I think they've sold 14 in 7 days, so it has been extremely busy here. That's a good car.